So I am the Lord. I've heard you cry. No need to worry. No need to fear anymore. Can you bring it on, bring it on, bring it on, bring it on, bring it on? Drop it at my feet. I am the Lord and you cry. I am the Lord of mercy. I saw you tears when no one was watching. I saw you cry at night when no one was watching. My sister, God will wipe your tears. He's the good of our flesh. I am the Lord of heard you cry. I saw you cry at night when no one was watching. When no one was watching, I saw you cry. I saw you running around. I saw you cry at night. My child, hear the word of the Lord. Jesus is here for you. Hey. I am the Lord, and you cry. I am the Lord, I am merciful. I will wipe your tears away. What is that mess that you entered that the felt you cannot come out? God is wiping it away. God is wiping it away. This life you gave to me, and I'm giving it back to you. So do what you want with it. Do what you want with it. Papa, the God that sees my weakness, the God that sees my mess, the river that never runs dry, the river that Jesus, Jesus, Jesus.